In the past few days after the onset of the long rains, hundreds of Kenyans from many parts of the country have already been displaced by floods, and the situation could get worse in the coming days, according to a warning given by the weatherman 2 days ago. A report on the status of the dams from the Ministry of Water shows that all dams are full. Dams that are already full and could spill over are Masinga, Kamburu, Gitaru, Kindaruma and Kiambere. Takwa Dam is not yet full, according to the report. The report also says that many rivers are already full, with some breaking banks and causing flooding, leaving hundreds of people stranded. Rivers Sondu, Nzoia, Yala, Gucha, Migori and other rivers that drain into Lake Victoria are already full, leading to rising water levels in Lake Victoria.
This is a replica of what happened in 1961, 62 to 1964 in the same area, where the water levels had also risen so high to around almost 13 meters, above the level of water. And currently, it is actually understood that it's also almost approaching there. It's around 12 meters point something.
Water levels in Lakes Victoria, Baringo, Nakuru, Bogoria and other Rift Valley lakes has gone up, affecting farms, fishing and hotels.
The key problem that is now causing a lot of water levels increasing in the Victoria and most of the lakes within the East Africa region is because most of the upper catchment has been depleted, most of it has been cleared, most of the forests in the upper areas where it's supposed to protect the catchment in terms of ensuring that water is retained.
Apart from the ongoing rains, last short rains took about 5 months, leading to floods, loss of lives and property. The soil has been saturated since then, and water levels in dams and lakes remained high. This being the reason why there are floods being experienced in most parts of the country 2 weeks after the onset of long rains. Heavy rains during the last short rain season were due to a phenomenon known as Indian Ocean Dipole that led to increased temperatures in the Indian Ocean, causing heavy clouds in the African coast and dry weather in the Australian coast that led to bushfires that killed more than 500 million animals and millions of acres of forest destroyed. The current rains pounding the country are expected to slow from 1st May, and Kenyans have been asked to be on the lookout of floods. Dan Kaburu, K24, Evening Edition.